Put a carrot in the toilet bowl. This I learned from a maid and was surprised. My family did not believe it until they saw the result, and everyone began to do this homemade trick. To start today's tip, we will use a carrot. The ideal is also the use of a knife to cut the carrot into small pieces. As soon as we cut the carrot, we will put it completely in a blender. Ideally, now add 500 milliliters of water and then turn on the blender until you have crushed the carrot completely. I bet you've never used carrots for any cleaning tips. The effect of using them on the toilet is surprising. Once it's at this point, we can remove it from the blender. For this tip, the ideal is the use of only the liquid, then we will also use a sieve. Now let's add the other ingredients that make it possible to use this tip. The ideal is the use of half a cup of vinegar, being one of the main items to facilitate the cleaning of your toilet. Whenever you add a new ingredient, we must mix well. Now we will also use 2 tablespoons of baking soda, being an indispensable item for its alkaline effect. Let's mix it up again. Finally, we will also use half a cup of detergent, being the main item to facilitate when scrubbing the toilet. With this, we will mix one last time, and then we will have the mixture ready for use. To facilitate the application, we will put the product fully in a bottle. I'm using one with the capacity of 500 milliliters. If you prefer, you can even use a larger one. Avoiding product waste, I will also use a funnel, thus also facilitating. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Wayne Nagata. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This product is very simple, and the amount it yields serves for use for at least a month. The best thing is that in addition to cleaning, also acts directly on the aroma of your bathroom. For use it is simple, requiring only a small amount of product, applying directly to the toilet. If your toilet is dirty with stains or even yellowish, applying this mixture and rubbing without much effort with a brush, you can remove all the dirt. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.